The big story, the presidential pick.
In about 4 hours' time, President Trump will reveal his second choice for Supreme Court Justice, who will replace retiring Justice Anthony Kennedy. The president tweeting out today, "I've long heard that the most important decision a U.S. president can make is the selection of a Supreme Court justice."
So here are the final four contenders. Raymond Ketledge from Michigan is a Sixth Circuit judge. He went to Birmingham Groves High School and the University of Michigan. Also in the running are judges Brett Kavanaugh, Thomas Hardiman, Amy Coney Barrett as well.
The next nominee could be on the court for the next couple of decades and also could be a swing vote to overturn potentially cases like Roe v. Wade and the 1973 decision to legalize abortion.
7 Action News reporter Bethany Moore begins our big story coverage. She's live in Novi from Judge Raymond Ketledge's home. Bethany, what's happening?
Well, of course, it's going to be a very big night if Trump does actually end up picking Judge Ketledge, but it's been pretty quiet out here for most of the day. Not a lot of coming and going from his home, but there is a U.S. Marshal that's stationed outside here. Of course, whichever one of these judges gets picked, it's certainly going to be a big win for the Republican Party. With conservative Justice Neil Gorsuch joining the court last year and losing a median justice like Anthony Kennedy, and this new Republican nominee, it's going to be a different court.
This will definitely be a conservative-leaning court. I think no matter who the nominee is, if it's from this crop of nominees, and there's no reason to think that it won't be, this will definitely push the court further to the right.
This means major Supreme Court issues from same-sex marriage to immigration to abortion could see more favorable Republican changes.
I am concerned about immigration. I am concerned about same-sex marriages.
Here in this Kirby Coney Island, we talked to some people who, like Leslie, worry what this Republican-leaning court means for the American people.
Obviously, the birth situation for women will be affected.
Ernest also worries what this court will do for voting rights and the rights of minorities.
The administration is trying to fill the court with enough people who will reverse most of the gains that have been made by all minorities.
Others say they're cautiously optimistic about the changes the conservative court will bring.
I don't think I would say that I'm excited. I would say that I'm not nervous about it. So I think my feelings are we'll take it one day at a time and see what they do.
And then there are some like Ray who have lost faith in the court as a whole.
It's gotten to the point we really can't put your trust in man. If you're not looking for God to make a change, you're not looking for the right leader.
President Trump is set to make that announcement at 9 tonight. Reporting live, Bethany Moore, 7 Action News.
All right, Bethany, thank you. And once again, as you said, the president will announce his Supreme Court nominee 9 p.m. live on Channel 7. That means tonight's episode of The Bachelorette will be temporarily interrupted, but we'll air the rest of that show at the conclusion of his speech. After that, the proposal will air in its entirety, followed by 7 Action News at 11.